first glance, this machine looks like the ultimate expedition vehicle rather than a conventional motorhome. While it carries bold Toyota styling with an aggressive grille, massive off-road tires, heavy-duty bumpers, roof-mounted gear, and multiple axles, it is important to note that this appears to be a concept render or digitally created design rather than an officially announced Toyota production model. Even so, it gives us an exciting idea of what the future of extreme overland travel could look like. The front design is incredibly muscular, featuring a wide LED light bar, powerful headlights, reinforced skid plates, and heavy recovery hooks. The oversized all-terrain tires suggest that this vehicle is designed to conquer deserts, rocky mountains, muddy trails, and snowy terrain with confidence. The long body provides enough room for a luxurious living area, while the roof is loaded with expedition equipment including spare tires, storage boxes, fuel cans, and camping accessories for extended adventures. If Toyota ever developed a real vehicle inspired by this concept, it would most likely use a heavy-duty turbo diesel or hybrid powertrain. A 4.5 V8 turbo. Diesel could easily produce around 300 to 350 horsepower with torque exceeding 7 Nm, providing excellent towing capability and low-speed off-road performance. A future hybrid version could even deliver over 450 horsepower, while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. The biggest highlight is its incredible multi-axle setup. With 8 large wheels, this design promises exceptional traction, better weight distribution, and improved stability on difficult terrain. Such a configuration would allow the vehicle to carry large water tanks, fuel reserves, batteries, camping equipment, and luxury living features without sacrificing off-road capability. Inside, this concept could offer a premium motorhome, experience with seating for several passengers and a fully equipped cabin. Buyers could expect a comfortable bedroom, modern kitchen, spacious dining area, luxury bathroom with shower, smart climate control, solar power system, satellite internet, entertainment screens, premium leather seating, and advanced storage solutions. Long-distance travel would become far more comfortable than in traditional expedition vehicles. Technology would likely include a massive digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, multiple driving modes, hill descent control, electronic locking differentials, and advanced terrain management systems. Combined with Toyota's reputation for durability, such features would make it one of the safest adventure vehicles on the market. Off-road performance would be the true strength of this monster. High ground clearance, reinforced suspension, heavy-duty chassis construction, permanent four-wheel drive, and multiple differential locks would allow it to tackle steep hills, river crossings, deep sand, and rocky trails that most RVs simply cannot handle. Whether exploring remote deserts or crossing mountain passes, this vehicle would be built for serious adventure. Fuel economy would naturally be lower than smaller SUVs because of its enormous size and weight. Depending on the engine choice, real-world fuel efficiency might range between 5 and 8 kilometers per liter. However, buyers interested in this type of expedition vehicle usually prioritize capability, durability, and self-sufficiency over fuel savings. Since this appears to be a concept rather than a production model, Toyota has not announced any official pricing. However, if a vehicle with these specifications entered production, experts could expect a starting price between $350,000 and $700,000 USD, depending on customization, luxury equipment, and expedition features. Highly customized versions with premium interiors and advanced technology could easily exceed $1 million USD, competing with the world's most exclusive luxury expedition motorhomes. Overall, this futuristic Toyota ThunderBeast concept showcases what the next generation of luxury overlanding could become. It combines bold styling, impressive off-road capability, premium comfort, and cutting-edge technology into one extraordinary package. Although it is not an official production vehicle, it certainly inspires adventure enthusiasts and demonstrates how future expedition motorhomes could push the limits of design, performance, and luxury. If Toyota ever decides to build something close to this concept, it would undoubtedly become one of the most desirable off-road motorhomes ever created.